What'd you get for your golf cart?
I got some kind of a basket that goes on front of it.
Oh, like a storage tray?
Yeah.
Is that what's in that box?
Yeah, and it's really heavy too.
What else you got coming for it?
I got rock lights coming for it. Yeah, I got my husband, my wonderful husband, gave me one of the Kamimoto stereos
that we sell on my website.
And then also, what else did you?
The switch panel.
The switch panel I got too.
And I ordered you the conversion for the 48 volt to 12 volt converter. It's like 30 amp or something.
So we can have all that stuff.
Yep.
And then I got little
So they can find that radio on my website, rngperformance.net.
Yes.
And the switch panel too, right?
Yes.
Okay.
All on that site.
So what do you want to do? You want to put that on today?
Yeah, we can.
Oh man.
I hope it's not too hard.
You know, make me work.
Yeah.
I don't like to work. Well, I guess we better get started. I guess they better subscribe though.
I hope they subscribe. I've got a lot so far, but it would be nice to have more.
Yeah.
I love all my subscribers.
Get you to 1,000.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Some people don't think I will, but...
Oh, you will. You guaranteed will. All right, well, I guess we better start.
Yeah, we'll see what's going on.
So first thing we got to do here is take off these star bits. Like so. And we're going to have to delete this.
Get that off of there.
Yep.
Because they can't go on there with
we
that
might
other...
have to cut this off here because I'm not... We'll cut it off. Cut it off.
Okay.
But this here piece is going to go right back on there like so.
Yep, put the screws... Oh, that's not too bad getting that on there.
No.
It looked worse than what it was.
Oh, this is easy. Just getting it lined back up. Make sure they're tight.
Looks like it's pretty tight. It's on there.
Now we'll do the other side.
Okay. Gotta get the tray. Oh, that's gonna look so nice.
It's gonna look good.
It is. Look how cute it looks.
Look at that.
That's really nice. I like it.
That looks good.
Yes, it does. It brings character to it.
Like that.
Oh, like that. Okay. That makes sense, huh?
Yeah.
A little more than the other. There we go.
I'm not smart.
That's all right.
Put them bolts down in there. Like so. I might not be the smartest guy in the world, but I'll finger her out.
Get that in there.
Now, get this.
That, oh, yep. There we go.
This golf cart's gonna be real nice when you're done.
I know. You know, I also forgot to mention that I ordered a cover for it too.
Oh yeah, cover.
I forgot about that. It all should be here tomorrow.
Heck yeah.
I'm excited. That's awesome. I really like this tray. It's cute.
It is. It's nice.
This side.
Now this side, I want to push it in. Can you use the Ugga Dugga gun for me real quick?
You want me to put this down?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Go. Okay. Tell you what, this is probably the only accessory I've ever installed that only took 5 minutes. Like, you guys watch me and her in the videos, and for you it's like 8 minutes in a video, but for us it's like hours.
Yeah.
This is what I think the video is going to be longer than what it actually took to
Yeah, exactly. Because that literally was like not even 5 minutes, I don't think.
And I like the fact that I could use the original golf cart bolts.
You don't have to use what they sent you, which is nice.
Yes, because these are always Chinesium.
And chintzy, probably.
That and they'll rust in about 5 minutes. Now we just got to cut those off.
Yes, where are we going to use to cut that off? Too bad they just wouldn't just come off.
Oh, I know.
Make it much easier that way. Oh, there you go. Hey.
Oh, they're made so you can slide them up that way and off, but that's too much like work.
Well, yeah, because then you'd have to take the whole top off if you...
Because you don't even need them anyway. You can't use them with that basket, so...
No. So it's not even going to be worth it then?
No. You can't use them. Because the basket bolts down to where it...
Well, we got them off.
Yeah.
Yay! Let's see if... Get back up a little bit. Oh, it looks really nice on there.
It does.
Looks very nice.
I can haul Sadie up there.
Sadie will be excited to go for a ride on the golf cart.
Yep.
Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching me install this. Wink, wink.
Wait a minute, what? You installed that? I don't remember seeing that. How are you taking the credit for that?
No.
I get no credit. I'm out of here. I get no credit for nobody.
No, but remember, stop back and we'll have more accessories for this. And I just appreciate you guys watching my videos. And I'll see you on the next one.